It's Amelia Immobiliser Fit, one of the UK's leading installers of the Starline Immobiliser systems. Today we've secured this brand new 2022 Mercedes CLS with a Starline i96 Pro, which uses the push sequence or can be paired with the customer's phone to start the vehicle. So the way you start this vehicle with the customer's phone present is ignition on with a double press, hear a melody, foot on the brake, start the vehicle. If the customer's phone was out of range, so we'll just turn the Bluetooth off to make sure it's disconnected. So with the Bluetooth off, if someone was to attack this vehicle, hop in, cloned key, try start it up, just won't start. So foot's on the brake, vehicle won't start. In cases obviously where it's the customer, their phone's died and they're out one day and they want to get it home, they can use the PIN code. So for that, foot off the brake, double press the ignition to get it on, then we'll put our PIN code in of hear our melody, we can start the vehicle. If the customer wants to change this code, this can be anything between 3 and 21 presses of supported buttons, and the way you do that is first you have to disarm the system with either the phone or the push sequence, then press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ignition off, ignition back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. So now it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just change it to this paddle here and back. Wait for a confirmation. And again repeat that code. 1, 2, 3, 1. We got a grunt because the first code was different to the second, so we'll just repeat that again. Change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should get the same double bleep confirmation if both them codes are correct. There we go. So ignition off, that's the code changed. If the customer wants to take this for a service, the easiest way to do this is go into the Starline key app using their phone. And the way you do that, hop into the app. Once your Bluetooth's on and it connects to the vehicle, you'll have the green circle as normal to show it's protected. If you want to take it for a service, press and hold, the green circle will spin around and go to yellow. When it does release, we'll get our 2 bleeps. There we go, so now it's a normal car. Start up with no code, no phone. Mercedes can obviously road test it, service it, do what they need to do, and when you get it back and want it protected, you can either go into the app, press and hold, or if you don't have your phone on you, ignition on with a double press, put your code in, we'll get double bleep. There we go, and you can see the phone's updated if your phone's with you. So if you want to secure your vehicle, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Starline i96 Pro Immobiliser on a brand new 2022 Mercedes CLS. If you want to get one of these fitted and you have any other vehicle that you want to secure, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.